Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Make sure your Aadhaar and PAN are linked to the bank account you use with Google Pay. Open the app, tap Loans or the credit card tile, and choose Apply Now. You do this because lenders need KYC and a transaction history. Without them, your loan will be delayed. Once done, follow on-screen prompts to grant permissions for account verification and upload any requested documents. This speeds approval and sets the loan flow in motion. Now you select the loan product, enter the amount and choose tenure, compare EMI numbers versus total interest to decide. You'll fill personal and income details, upload salary slips, bank statement, or Form 16 as requested because lenders verify repayment capacity. Make sure to authorize an e-sign for quick processing and pick the dispersal account. Once done, review the loan summary carefully. Any mismatch will stall approval, so double-check numbers, interest rate, and repayment. You wait for approval. Some lenders decide instantly, others take 24 to 72 hours, track status in the app and respond to requests promptly. Once approved, confirm dispersal to your chosen bank and set automatic EMI debit to avoid missed payments. This protects your credit score. If dispersal fails or your application is rejected, check the rejection reason in Google Pay, correct any document errors, and reapply or contact lender support. This troubleshooting step resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.